Matapos ang naging performance kahapon ng ating Miss Universe Philippines 2025 representative, na si Atisa Manalo, sa naganap na swimsuit fashion show, ay samot-sari nga ang naging reaksyon dito ng mga netizens. At sa recent post ng isang pageant analyst, ay tila bang nagbahagi siya ng kanyang opinyon at payo para kay Atisa, lalo na nga ba, ngayon ay ang kanilang closed-door interview. At nalalapit na rin ang Miss Universe 2025 prelims at coronation night. Ayon nga sa pageant analyst na si Reeve of Philippine Queenology, I hope Atisa and her team will listen to the fans. We don't have any problem with her cutesy personality when she interacts with the media every day. But, when it comes to the events that matter the most, she needs to give her all. I know she can do it. We want to see the same level of giggle she brought in 2024. I'm still hopeful that she'll do better in the prelims. Remember 2022, we sent one of the most beautiful Filipinas ever, yet we still failed to qualify for the semifinals. I'm not saying Atisa will be unplaced. But, what I'm saying is, all out na tayo, please. We can't afford to play it safe. We're up against the Lamonera and Cabogerang Latinas, plus the heavy favorites across the region. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.